I think a lot of people's misconception of solar is the cost of it, and I'm kind of a numbers guy, and when I look at the payback on the capital cost, it actually is a fantastic rate of return. My name is Stewart Campbell. I've had solar since July of 2019. My favorite thing about the solar is, I've got to be honest, getting a $20 monthly power bill through most of the summer and fall. That's what I like best about it. I'm in the money business. I've been in financial services for 30 years with my own company, and you know, numbers is my thing. And when I looked at the actual dollars and cents, the fact that I'm buying an asset that's you know, $20,000 or $30,000, and then what's the payback on that? I didn't look at the payback based on just, you know, the power bills, which, yeah, it's very nice, but you look at, you know, $200 or $300 a month being generated by the system on that kind of a capital cost, and I've got the asset. It increases the value of the house. Return on investment, let alone the capital cost of the investment. So I think it's a great value for anyone. The way my solar story really happened, I was coming back from vacation. I think I saw some little blurb or an ad about solar, and that there were rebates going on in Nova Scotia. And it just popped into my head, you know, there's opportunities that pop up, maybe I should take advantage of it. So I reached out to a few different places to give me some idea of what I was talking about in order to change to solar. The reason I picked Stanton Solar, it was the service, the professionalism, the fact that when you communicated, you got quick responses. And then after the fact, you know, from the installation, timely, followed the timelines. Any holdups, whether it was getting the inspector or whatever, I was always informed, and the customer service afterwards, it was awesome. Again, I think it's all about being able to take care of your clients and communicate with them on a timely basis. I think that's the most important thing for any business, and they do a fantastic job of that. We could accomplish what I wanted to accomplish in terms of power generation just by putting it all on the back side, and we had something a little unique on a side panel that you know, I discussed with them. They had to do special engineering in order to accommodate that, and it's proved very useful. If I could sum up my experience overall with Stanton Solar, totally satisfied, I guess would be the words. Service, reliability, dependability, communication, yeah, totally satisfied. Bar none. I would recommend Stanton Solar over any of the other companies in my humble opinion.